this video, I'll show you how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now first what you want to do is you want to right click on your internet. Now as you can see mine is Ethernet, but if you have Wi-Fi that's fine as well. You want to right click on it and open up the network and internet settings. You can also find this just by opening up your settings and clicking on the internet. But once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you go to properties on your internet, and then you want to make sure that you go private. So change it from public to private, and then you can just come out of here. Once you've done that, what you want to do is we want to open up Device Manager. Search for Device Manager, and in here you want to find Network Adapters. Then what you want to do is you want to find your internet. So this is mine. Right click on it and make sure you update the driver. So as you can see, this is mine. So update driver right here. Click on it, search automatically, and make sure you have the best one. After that, what you want to do is you want to right click again on it, go to properties, go to power management, and then you want to turn these off. So once you've turned this off, just press OK, and there we go. Then what you want to do after is come here and search for power plan. Open up the power plan, come back to power options, and then find the one that you're using. Now I'm using high performance, so you want to click on change plan settings, change advanced power settings, and once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to find wireless adapter, click on it, power saving mode, and then you want to choose maximum performance. Close it down right here, and then you can just come here and you want to search for services, open it up in here, press anywhere, and then you want to press W. Now you're at the bottom, you want to look for one called WWAN Auto Config. Double click on it, set it to automatic, press start, and then apply and OK. Now once you've done this, what you want to do is come here and search for Windows. Make sure you take the latest Windows update. And once you've done that, you can do the last thing, which is we want to go to view network connections. Find your network, properties, internet version 4, double click, use the following DNS and 88888844. Press OK, and then what you want to do is try and restart your PC now, and it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.